Oh yeah, gosh, I forgot to show you this. This is nice. This is better than my bathroom at home. Ain't that nice? It just open, just slide and open like that. That is so nice. Yes, it is. The lovely bathroom. Hi, my baby. Yes, we have a room tour. First thing, we have to get these on, because we do not want to fall. Okay, I'll be back when I get these on. Okay, I'm back. What room tour? I got my hoodie on. Okay, let's finish our room tour. As you can see here, there's a lovely door. That's the front door. And I'm going to turn around. And we're going to take a 360 right quick. And to my right here, we have a trash. Then we have some lovely shelves. And then to my right, left, we have a lovely trash can. We have a chair. We have the lights. We have gloves. We have more gloves. We have hand soap. Then up here we have a lovely picture. Paper towels, water. And I remember this the last time I was in here. Base foam and border. Then that's where they put the needles, my clothes, more something. This is the computer what the nurse works on. And then over here we have, today is Wednesday, my nurse name, my CN name, my PT, CT name, MT, that's everybody. And I'm in row 9. Then over here we have a lovely TV. Then up here we have a lovely clock, which it is what, 3, 5 minutes out of 3. Then over here we have, he just told me the cafeteria number and everything. Then over here we have some nice cabinets, the bottom, nice. Hey, I'm in the hospital, I still gotta work, right? Yeah, more cabinet space. And over here we have a plug. That's where I'm gonna set up everything at over here in a minute. Here, nice Glendale. Look at all those homes. All those new homes back there. Then we have a lovely chair here that lets out to a bed. Then we have another chair over here. Then back here we have all this lovely stuff on the bed. The machine that they have you hooked up to for the IV. And guys, look, I am hard to stick. Look where they had to put my IV on me. They had to put my IV right here. That really hurt it, God, because I am so hard to stick. So this is where they found the vein at. I give it to her. She only stuck me once. And I told her you only get one stick. Okay, we're back. Yeah, and that's all the machines right there. But thank God this time I'm not on oxygen, so that's a good thing. And then here is the lovely bathroom. Lovely bathroom. See, they give you toothpaste, soap. They give you a bucket, paper towels, water, hand soap. Those are the rows. Trash can down there. the lovely, like, slick, lovely toilet and everything. And here's the shower. It's nice tile ceiling, nice shower curtain. 2 things of toilet paper. And there's the shower right there. I don't know, where's the chair at? Should be a chair. And here goes the shower curtain. And yeah, and there's the ceiling. And that's pretty much everything, guys. My lovely room. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. I'll probably be here about a week. I don't know. But then we got conscious up there. If you have on a blue footy, if you have on a yellow footies, I don't. That means they have to watch you because you can fall. So I got the brown, so I don't have to be watched. But yeah, just a little quick room tour. And I'm gonna order me some dinner and some breakfast for in the morning. This is something new here. They got these little chairs. Yeah. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm going to order me some dinner and some breakfast. Put in the comments below what you think I should have for breakfast and dinner for, what's today? Today, Wednesday. For Thursday. Put in the comments. Okay, then we had a nice, lovely bed here. This is the bed. I probably can get another pillow. That's all the buttons to push stuff. Then they have one down here. One over there to push stuff. Yeah, this is a lovely bed. They have a sheet. And then this is the phone. And this is the nurse's stuff. And then in front we have, this is a leg compression thing you put on your leg in case you are stuck in the bed. And you know you gotta have some leg compressions on your leg. But yeah, that's it. That's the bed. And the lights. Okay, next, guys, we're going to order our dinner for tonight and breakfast for in the morning. And I'm going to let you guys see the menu. And I'm going to let you guys pick something for me for Thursday. Okay, guys, one more thing. Here go my lovely dinner tray. And we have some napkins. They brought me some ice. And I had 2 Starries. This is the closest thing to Sprite. So I had 2 of these. I still got one and well half. Still got a little in here. And then we have some little ice right here. And then we have our menu here. We're gonna order our dinner and our breakfast. Okay, let's see what we're gonna order for dinner. It is 3:30. Okay, what's today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tenderby pot roast. Dinner. What's dinner? Okay, for dinner we're gonna have. When I was here last time, I always just got the cheeseburger. Oh yeah, I think I had got the grilled cheese sandwich sometime. Okay, I think today we're gonna have. I don't see no French fries. I don't know, I'm gonna ask them, do they have fries? Let's call and see what happened. Cause I don't see no fries. Hi, this is room 9. I would like to have a hamburger. I don't see any French fries on the menu. If you do have French fries, a hamburger with French fries, and a cup of coffee, and 1 Siri soda, and ketchup. mayonnaise. And if I can't get French fries, a little salad. And I said coffee. And a Siri soda. And for dessert, I have what kind of dessert do you have? Brownie, food, ice cream. Probably some vanilla ice cream. Okay, that would be for dinner. And then, like, for my breakfast, I call back for breakfast. Thank you. This is room number 9. This is my dinner stuff. A hamburger with fries if possible. If not, a salad. I need mayonnaise. I need mustard. Ice cream for dessert, vanilla. And I don't know, can we get a sugar cookie? I'm sorry if you can't. If not, just ice cream. Crazy. I had to call back for breakfast because I didn't know what I wanted. Okay, guys, bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, we'll see you later. Bye.